Yawo akolatu ewo pem. Wajin we ewo Kolebu or Rich or 37. Whatever hospital Kompanochi, Yawo nuna he's corrupt. If you ever near the because we've come to accept it. And Untina is making it difficult for every leader to change it.
Or check pragmatic, solution. Pragmatic. I just say I didn't book long to say back on buy now or back inflation. We are not what they are 52 and
to bring the party to power. When you need something, you don't have anybody to lead you to get what you want. Count on me. Count on Kennedy Japan. I don't need anything in life again. All I need is to make a name.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, hi, Xposed GH. The name is Ben Bruce, baby. I will be having check a cinema. But don't subscribe, me to my now I can be. I MPP primaries and our flag bearership race na a hiti up. Now here race now is between Honorable Kennedy Japan Akoprekon and the former Vice President Bwaumia or me no front runners. You can front runners, some nomadi a kind. Other people like Brian, to be the phone, DHD. Brian, what time is so Tobo or time so more about. Na Kennedy Japan can't say me. Na mitia some will say this is the man that Ghana needs after Ira John Mahama.
So in this case, say you share the next 30 years, if you want to build Ghanaian solid business a bit more competitive, what do we do? Unless they give them soft loans. That's from the state. Yeah, not more than 8%. Not more than, if it is 8%, our labor is cheap, so it can compensate for 2-3%. We can compete. If we don't give soft loans of 8% to Ghanaian entrepreneurs who have dreams, forget it. We also need the last 10 years, Ghanaian product attempt to say a hit international overshare Alomo bitters from Kasaprekon. They did well, entered Nigeria and all of that. Zoomland, for example, in the waste management space, Ninya contract in other African countries. So you struggle to find Ghana be product made here in Ghana and make it our waves. No, what do we do? Because we need to build our international brands, right here from Ghana. You see, how are you going to build it when cost of borrowing is so high? That high. You can't build it. Me steel plant me. Omo Jimmy, the first 2 sheds at $5.5 million. The second one a third one for the furnace. A fena omo the machines $18 million. And the mayor form no other things $30 million. Oko Bobisia. Unye factory no na interest kura afa adwuma no. So the genesis of Ghanaian entrepreneurs and any Chrome has here, it starts from there. And sana your culture, we have a bogus culture. Here and just and ra na me nim penfo bi ye debate bi. Na mka just say Yawo akolatu ewo pem. Wajin we ewo Kolebu or Rich or 37. Whatever hospital Kompanochi. Yawo nuna he's corrupt. Ewo kwa ben so. If you ever near the kom. If you ever because we've come to accept it. And Untina is making it difficult for every leader to change it. Good evening, about tree. Why corrupt? Why corrupt? About tree. If you now, ye titini free or here, ni mammy, ni papa, ni or family aunt. A quiet faso a level. It becomes normal to him or her. And tis one now konya juma, na oye bia. He doesn't see anything wrong with it. What you say? So our culture is also a problem. Ebini saying, Abrantie everyone saying Jackson. Jackson aye adwuma wa anya ne yie. Mayina di. na di dwato aba o ni esrew o na nya hwe Jackson fache no me di che no abrantie ya otimi hayi onu so ayo boni me yi na di na boss na anu Jackson ye nya na adi che ni adenti na me de
na odi onu so
na
de
na eko obohu aso adwuma no da fom se dream agu ko so fo besrew ye frɛ politicians enko pacho na me ka hye nyame animunyam se me de ukodi nsamfo na ba me ye do atum
me pacho neti am say Yera Kennedy is the man for the moment and man for the job after His Excellency John Mahama. I say His Excellency John Mahama is doing a great job. Me am a Ghanaian, so any Ghanaian who is doing a great job, I love it. What we're stabilizing your microeconomies, micro above micro and macro. What I want to say no, you can macro the entire economy no, and a micro ni part of the economy now. Ni now as I say stabilization about your city is stable. The inflation rate has come down to about 13%. You know, things are happening. Fuel prices have come down and all that. Now, so stabilizing in which I think Yera Mahama can do. The next step is to what? To grow the economy. Sagana, Ghana, we need to be growing in an excess of about 10 point something GDP every year to make it. Below 10.5 or 10.6, no, we can't make it. Right now, we are doing about 6.5, 6.7, at best 8.0 or 7. But we need to grow above 10, GDP-wise. Yeah, grow above that level, we can't make it. Now, what's here, Yera Kennedy? Or check pragmatic, solution. Pragmatic. I just say, I didn't book long to say, I could not buy now or back inflation. We are not what they are 52 and Yanubi. First of all, Ghana, your mentality even as business people is poor. Ghana need your business or continue the banner start to say or business now. Business in the car say a private kakra adiem yen san the band dream. First of all, say obesity who are talkers, who are girls, adiem yen san. But obroni so yes obroni to one car. Now or you the CEO of a multi company. But one can, do you know why I author one can? Because company now will be a nano. In the next 5 years, I saw to me be a 3-4. Now, this is getting enough to talk as a man or now. How do you grow? So mental wise, no, the Ghanaian man needs to be what? Re-engineered mentally to make him ready for the market ahead. Now, number 2, you will be a friend of copyright and our branded. And now you can say, Kente, I feel say Ghana no kwa. Oko baby ya brand Kenta, yama copywriter. Kenta is not from Ghana. It takes something more of what innovation initiative to make something your own. Most of products now around Ghana no, we can make different things at different times and brand it as this is Ghanaian. Because only maybe we are not looking at just selling to Ghana, but beyond the borders of Ghana. And to say, yeah, dear, no, now are so powerful, are so unique, are so nicer. Who wouldn't buy? But why, yeah, dear, no, at the end of we are in Ghana for Polo, Ghana, yeah, and Papua, maybe Italy. We are not even proud of ourselves. It's at the end of Kono, a coconut massa, Obianto. Now, the other thing has to do with the loans, loans, Ghana. Share, mommy can be being sure. So we say that small micro banks you say when you sue for now one more business almost repeat your traders off but they don't know. Waba also here loan now to susu. We also near the baba loan no. Now take this loan now the man no. You see it be at 10 months. Every month be no utu be 5%. Me pacho calculate 5% by 10. 50%. The interest no even on loan far above the interest at the banks, and this thing needs to be checked because the ordinary person no you can't 5% now no everybody selling 5 but no 5% per month into say 10 months calculate the 5 times 10 50%. It means that my 10,000 at the end of the day me 20,000. Is this not a rip-off? It is. It's a Central Bank of Ghana. Or Timisan Fred, those micro not or these strict rules, but say you can't go above this percentage because first of all, o di sika no afin kofo no ho loan na o de mom so omunya adwuma no so omunya bi ho na loan na me kwakodi na me tua about 50%. What is the sense in it? And no na yewura Kennedy ka say these are what we call bottlenecks. Because of bottlenecks, and they are Ghanaian businessman who own grow. And nothing that most businesses in Ghana no and collapse here. A big single tell. But Brony started Coca-Cola or starting a experience experiments. And the Coca-Cola a worldwide brand. Guinness, all those big when they started as what experiments. Guinness where the near swam could be a bra. Or no bills no SCN will be tasty and us. This is good. And then Guinness, a foremost drink in the whole world. That is what we call patent rights. And no Ghana for yenibi. Because at the end of the say, Obia ya jena, ya bring a local mind. We don't have international mind. And we to share even our artists every time no, they are looking at what? The local setting. And then a stone boy and a sakwa and the rest no, almost tries to they will break through internationally. But the mindset is not even there. That's the mindset honorable Kennedy Japan person of the mind. Oh yeah. I say yeah kwa anymore no. MPP meaning some here resources. I Berman Ekasano. Yes, will be now ukwa here and you also pan on onisika. Wo here do krono. Was it there be on your here no krono. MPP be our primacy be kwa ni be kwa kono. Samo here bibia mo mram ho. Equity honorable Kennedy Japan.
To bring the party to power. When you need something, you don't have anybody to lead you to get what you want. Count on me. Count on Kennedy Japan. I don't need anything in life again. All I need is to make a name. I just want to make a name. But it was this man who became president and the youth of this country got employed. The unemployment rate is too high. That is why my constituency executives are not happy. If not them, their children, their nephews, their nieces have all completed university or one form of education. Looking for job, they can't have it. I have decided to contest to make sure that this party becomes strong by giving opportunity to the grassroots. I was born and bred, although my parents started from here. When it was time for her to deliver, she went back to Asim Fusu.
Yes! What's here, Papa? I will say he's a man or you're bold. Or you're bold for no reason. He's bold for a reason. Or you're bold because he has the luchi. When you have the luchi, you talk big. But when you don't have the luchi, and then the luchi is not there, when you are talking, you can't talk big. But when the money is there, you talk big. That is why I think and I know. Say MPP, mo pesa moji ababiem 2016, which you have the chance. Because NDC needs to present a new candidate, market the person and sell. Now, the catch is this. From ABR 2025-2026, no. Mami catch what is going to happen in Ghana. There's going to be what we call scramble for power in NDC. Obia person and no eba na after Yera John Dramani Mahama no yedimba. So there's going to be what we call divisions kakao NDC. So MPP is smarter. They just need to be what? United. And if they want to be united, they need to be united around Yera Kennedy Japan. Once they become united around Kennedy Japan, they win hands down. I Xposed GHFM Bembro, subscribe, share. We need 2 man answer. I can be manuensi.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.